Morons Hawks.
Hello everyone, it's the Morons Hacks, and in today's video I'll show you some insight on board driving with my brother, who just came out from Great Britain. He studied there. I'm gonna take my brother on board here on the passenger seat, and we'll go to SunDay driving on some outside of the city roads, so that I can show him the car. I can show him 540 with manual transmission. He has never been in such car. I can also let him drive a little bit, but let's not hurry with this. And so now let's go. After I take him, we'll go to have a fast wash of this car, because I want it to be a shiny one, because I park under the tree, and you know, when you park under the tree, you have some woods and other stuff falling down on the car and making the paint look bad. So we'll go to wash the car first, and after that we'll go to have some driving of this nice baby. Some stupid cop man here. Oh, this doesn't got 6 gears. Okay, so let's go take my brother first. Always warm your car before putting some pedal to the metal. It's such a nice shiny day today. It's a perfect day, perfect Sunday to go out for a drive, to go out with your nice car, especially if it's V8 car and if it's manual transmission. So we'll see now if my brother will like 540i or not. I'm sure he will like it. Such cars are not gonna exist too long in the future, so we're pretty privileged to have access to such cars, to have access to such sound, to such instant power, to such nice feeling when driving V8. Okay, brother Jakob, called Mitki 4A, Mitki-chan, he's already on board. He has some first impressions, and the first impressions are that the car is pretty torquey. And what else?
Yeah, it's like a truck. It's like a Russian truck.
And it sounds like a Russian truck called Zil. And the car pedal is really responsive, because the car has a remap. And now we're gonna, sorry for the bad camera angle, but I just broke this Chinese holder. We're gonna have it washed now, because it looks like shit with glue outside. My brother tries to broke something in the car.
Components.
Some bus don't giving a fucking shit. Fucking buses.
BMW drivers. No indicators, of course.
Of course, no indicators. We are in BMW. Some madness. I was trying to crash into Reno, but oh shit. So we're going to another one, because here it's full. Today every car guy or not, he has gone to the car wash station to wash his car, or what's left of it. I stay off because it cuts a lot of power. Oh shit. So Opel Opel Auto, das Auto. How do you feel inside E39? What do you think about
nice.
E39? Nice. It's 5-speed Something wrong here. 540 with 5-speed. Something wrong here. What do you think about this?
It's a 523i.
Oh no, he knows. He doesn't stop pushing buttons all around. You broke something. This is legendary quality. Don't push it. Actually, the buttons on the Climatronic of E39 series are really pain in the ass. They broke super often.
Wow.
They're like Chinese toys. So they shouldn't be used at all. Only pedals, gearbox, and the steering wheel. Nothing else you touch. Okay, we reached another car wash station, but it's fucking full again. We have 2 cars waiting, and we are the 3rd car waiting. So we have some useless chat here while waiting. with this size guy. Inserting coin. Oh shit. Shit.
Fake coins.
Let's get out. Okay, just washed the car, and now we're going where? Somewhere outside the city in order to make some POV driving. And after that I'll tell some shit about the car. Which way? Left, right, left, right, left, right, right. Miko, is it completely new feeling for you?
Nice sound.
Nice sound. Miko doesn't talk too much. He's that kind of people, just saying 2 words.
2 words is enough.
Oh, cops here. Okay, Mitki 4A, Mitki is driving the car. This is his first time driving a V8 manual transmission in a 5 series. So
I'm in neutral.
And he's in neutral. What a non-car guy, for God's sake. Okay, he is getting familiar with the shifting gears of this car, particularly with the clutch, with the heavier steering wheel because of the steering box, not steering rack.
Steering is very heavy.
Heavy steering, yes, but it's somehow nice to be heavy. Not on maneuverting on small streets, of course, in the city, but outside the city is pretty nice, I think. Beautiful view here. So Miko, share your thoughts while driving this beautiful 540 swapped.
It has a lot of engine braking, even in 3rd gear.
Even in 3rd gear, yes, because
it keeps me at 40 kilometers an hour.
Yes, without accelerating.
Yeah, I'm gonna lower your fuel consumption now.
Okay, it needs lowering actually, because it gets really deep in your pocket.
And it's not in my pocket.
It's not in your pocket, but be careful not to crash this beautiful car. Always put insurance when other people are driving your car.
Especially Mitki 4A.
Because this guy here is notorious for crashing BMW. Especially with DSC off. But this car even doesn't have DSC off. Oh shit. Okay, we are now in the city. When in the village, yes. When my brother get used to a car, we will get out of the village soon, and he can step a little bit, not too much, a little bit, to feel the power, to feel the acceleration of the car and the handling on the corners. Yes, he doesn't yet got a nice tire, so he has to be careful with the turns. It cannot take too much on the corners because of the soft tires in this hot summer.
Which way? Right.
Straight.
Straight.
Left. The engine is pretty torquey, you can easily go from second gear. Easy with the clutch. It's changed, but we should keep it healthy. Definition for the engine: a well full of horsepower. You imagine a well in the middle of nothing, and inside the well, when you look inside the well, you see some horses.
With no vanos.
With no vanos, only anos. No variable anos, only anos. Do you like it?
Yeah.
And for a 20 years old car, it's really feels really stiff.
Solid.
No, solid and stiff, no any loose parts.
Yeah.
When it goes on the hose, it just takes them with the whole body. No any noises from the suspension or the engine. How is the handling with the steering box? Is it different, or you don't have enough
It's
data?
heavy, but I don't have enough data.
Data. You drive it like an automatic.
Yeah.
It seems 4th gear is universal.
You don't need gears with this engine.
Just 4th gear. That's why American cars have only 3 gears.
Yeah.
Your overall conclusion about the car, was it as expected? Is it better diesel 330i.
Yeah, it is better, but not in fuel consumption.
Not in fuel. It's not a reasonable choice. It's a hard choice.
It's a weekend car.
Weekend car, yes. Or if you don't care about the money, or you just can say I will spend $200 on fuel this month, and you just spend them for that. You don't think about the fuel economy, you just put them inside and spend it, and when it's over you said I spend it, that's it. End of the adventure for this month. But it's not reasonable to go on work to do your daily job with such a high consumption.
No, it's not.
It's not good. The car is big for the city, hard to park, heavy wheel. It's just for outside, for no traffic, for just enjoying the roads, listening to the wind, to the sound of the engine. So Mitki 4A, like the car, right?
Mitki 4A approved.
Approved. Okay. Bye for now. Watch our other videos. Mitki 4A just filmed me today, so you can watch our car review of this beautiful 540i. And about the fuel consumption, I forgot to say in the previous video, but I have to say in the city it's between 21 and 25. It very much depends on your driving. Of course you can get 30, of course, in the traffic jams, but it's pretty around 22, let's say. Outside the city, extra-urban, it can go low to 10 maybe, but with a lot of easy driving, and with reasonable driving maybe around 13, and with hard, really hard driving you will go maybe 15, 14, 15. That's the numbers of this V8, but its V8 is 4.4 liter car with more than 1.5 ton. So it's an old,
heavy.
It's heavy and old.
It feels heavy.
It feels heavy, and it's an old technology, of course. In the modern, I doubt that they use less fuel, but maybe 1-2 liter less. Okay, bye for now. Watch our videos. Bye.